Oh, it's the best time of the day. It's time for the Lawn U. And today we have Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman with us again.
Yeah.
Great to have you guys here.
Thanks. It's a party.
It's always a party here, and we're helping you out. Free legal advice. What could be better?
Absolutely.
Right. So let's get to this question from Mike in Williamsport. Mike says, I recently purchased a property, and I believe the neighbor's deck sits on my property line. How do I handle this? Ooh, that's a tough one.
Yeah, so actually it's not that uncommon, but believe it or not, when I bought my house, the people who had owned the house before me put a fence on my neighbor's property, and
they just don't check.
They did. So
They
hadn't checked. So we handled it by, there's an easement that we have. So this actually happens a lot, and you can work it out with having a very simple agreement, which is called an easement. But you really probably need to have it surveyed as well to make sure that what is the true property line. But it does happen a lot. It really does.
The survey will answer a lot of questions, because once the pins are found in place, then everybody knows where their property is. So it's always a good idea to know where your property lines are before you build. So if you're building a deck, you may want to know where those property lines are. I was just talking to a guy before I came, same thing. Someone was building on his property and they didn't know what to do. So it's like, yeah, I mean, and it can get a little bit nasty. So take the time, figure it out, and then you don't have to call us to help you with that type of stuff.
Right, but I imagine it can get pretty heated, and so if that is the case, definitely give these guys a call. You can also just find them online or on social media. You guys are all over Facebook.
Love it, all over it.
Instagram too.
Yeah,
look at that. All right, so yeah, just find them on Facebook, and don't forget, results always matter with attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman.
Thank you.
If you have a question, just submit it at pahomepage.com, or you can give the hotline a call.